The mission begins.
What if you launched a mission planned for 5 years, and it was still sending back groundbreaking data almost 50 years later? That's the story of Voyager. In 1977, NASA launched the twin spacecraft Voyager 1 and 2 to take advantage of a rare planetary alignment that happens just once every 175 years. This Grand Tour alignment allowed them to use gravity assist to slingshot from one gas giant to the next. The mission was overseen by project scientist Dr. Edward C. Stone, who guided its scientific vision for an incredible 50 years, from 1972 until 2022. His leadership was pivotal as the mission's scope expanded far beyond its original goals of studying Jupiter and Saturn. Voyager's instruments revealed the first active volcanoes beyond Earth on Jupiter's moon Io and the complex braided nature of Saturn's rings. Voyager 2 then went on to give humanity its first ever close-up views of Uranus and Neptune, discovering new moons and powerful winds on these distant ice giants. Beyond the science, the mission also carried a message: the Golden Records, 2 phonograph records containing sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. Dr. Stone and the team ensured that Voyager was not just a scientific probe, but an emissary to the cosmos. This dual purpose has made its journey one of the most profound in human history.